Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V8, you will need a few specific tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your vacuum is fully powered off and unplugged. Next, take the T15 Torx screwdriver and remove the two screws located at the back of the vacuum, near the battery compartment. It's essential to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the body of the vacuum, taking care not to damage any clips. Now, with the back cover removed, locate the trigger mechanism. You'll see a small latch that holds the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the latch open while simultaneously pulling the trigger. This can require a bit of finesse, so take your time. If you find the process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can assist you if you're unsure about any step. With the trigger free, you can now install the new trigger. Align it with the housing and push it into place until you hear a click. Ensure it is securely fitted before moving on. Next, replace the back cover by aligning it with the body of the vacuum. Press down firmly until all clips are secured. Then, use the T15 Torx screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened adequately but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the plastic housing. Once everything is back in place, it's important to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Regular maintenance will help prolong the life of your Dyson V8. If you don't have the tools available or prefer to have a professional handle it, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a convenient service to ensure your vacuum is in top condition. Finally, before turning your vacuum back on, double-check that all screws are tightened and the trigger is functioning correctly. Press the trigger a few times to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything is in order, you're ready to use your Dyson V8 again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.